Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholic, and in this video I want to do a quick size comparison for you of the Matubo 10-0 seed beads, which are available at beadaholic.com. So it's the three colors that you see right here in the middle are the new 10-0s, and they come in a whole lot more colors than this. I'm just going to work these up into, I think, a pretty loom project or a weaving project, so I have them on my table here. Right here I have a gold shine emerald, an opaque luster champagne, and a matte metallic dark copper. So you see their size here, and we're going to compare them to some of the other seed beads that we use in a lot of our projects. So right here next to them is an 11-0 Mayuki Delica, so you can see the size difference right there. This is actually a 15-0 Delica, so if you're going really itty-bitty, that's that size compared to it. Another common bead we use a lot of are the Toho 11-0 rounds. So you can see here that size of those two beads right next to each other. Here's an 8-0 Toho round, so that's going to actually be quite a bit bigger than the 10-0s. Then we have a 10-0 Mayuki Delica, and then way over here we have a Toho round in 15-0. So if you're looking at seed bead sizes and you're maybe new to beading, the smaller the size number, the bigger the bead, and the larger the size number, the smaller the bead. So a 15-0 is going to be quite a bit smaller than a 10-0, and an 11-0 is going to be just a little bit smaller than a 10-0. So that's kind of how you can remember it if you're looking at those sizes. The larger the number, the first number, like 15-0, the smaller the bead, which to me is a little bit counterintuitive. I know when I first started beading that didn't make a lot of sense to me, but you do get used to it. These new Matubos are a 10-0, and I think they're a great addition. They're a really nice size. They work up rather quickly when you're doing a loom project, or if you're doing some bead weaving. It's nice because they do work up quicker than the 11-0s and definitely quicker than the 15-0s. So that's something to keep in mind. They're also ideal for stringing projects. They can make great little spacer beads as well. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick size comparison. Do check out all the colors available of the Matubo 10-0s over at beadaholic.com. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have a ton of tutorials, projects, and these type of informational videos as well. Thanks everyone.